Okay, what I have here is one of the vintage Yotai pet Yonezawa toy. This is the drive pile driver. It's one of the vintage toys. It's actually a working toy. Okay, let's open up. Actually, it's moving up. It's movable. Okay. Okay. See the lever here. You can actually turn it. So basically, what happens is that when you turn this, it goes up. See, it's working. Then you move this thing back to retrieve it. Pretty well made also.